Hi, welcome back to my channel. Wow, Aspirant Mom. Or should I say, welcome back to the first vlog of this new year. Before heading into the video, I would like to wish you all a happy new year this year. And this video is going to be from the 31st night. I would say the last day of last year. So yeah, stay tuned and do watch. And that's my breakfast and lunch both at a time I prepared because I had to go to my school because on that day we had school. So yeah, that's how my routine goes nowadays. Like after joining to school, I had to prepare breakfast and lunch at a time. So yeah, that was the last day of the year, so I celebrated with some of my favorite stuff on my plate. So yeah. After school hours, we had a small celebration kind of thing from our students. Yes, and we just cut the cake and we all had a cherishful moment, I would say. That was a surprise given by my school students on that night, 31st night, because I was not even expecting them to be there with a cake in my house, because that was quite never happened before in my life. After joining as a teacher in a school, I experienced really surprising moments in my life which I really wanted to capture and wanted to share. Not share exactly, wanted to store somewhere, and I don't know where, and I thought of you, sharing here in my channel. I don't know how it is relevant to my channel content, because mine content is all about study related and all. And here are some of the greeting cards given by my students on that day in school, and those are really precious because they are made by hand. Like, those are handmade greeting cards. So that's how I end up my 31st December 2022. I hope you all enjoyed too watching my videos. And yeah, thank you so much for the support you are showing to me. And yeah, I'll meet you another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind.